Hi, my name is Dr Luke Madden. I'm one of the osteopaths at Health House Clinics. I'm joined by Dr Begley, one of the chiropractors at Health House Clinics. We're going to talk to you today about how you can use things at home to help get rid of your low back pain, neck pain, upper back pain, or gluteal pain. So there's a bunch of products on the market. You can start with some spiky balls. These vary from $4 at Aldi to about $20 at some expensive physio or chiropractors. You've then got some lacrosse balls, which do the same thing. They're a little bit firmer, but without the spikes. They're about the same price, $10-ish. There's a product called a back ball, which looks like this. Back balls are about $40. I think these are about $25. Caitlin went to the reject shop and bought a packet of 10 pet tennis balls for $6. Did you get a receipt?
I did.
And we're going to teach you how you can use a couple of tennis balls and some duct tape to create your own back ball. Alright? So we can create our own back ball.
That's what we're creating.
So what we're going to do is we're going to grab 2 tennis balls and with some duct tape we are going to take them together. And this is going to be the best taping thing you've ever seen in your life. So we've got one all the way around the outside of the two of them, and then another one in the exact same direction. Thank you. You're cleaning that up, right? And then, to finish, we're going to go one over the middle. And now, you basically have your own version of a back ball. $6, and I don't know how much this was, probably $20, but we only used about 50 cents worth.
Yeah.
So you've got your own back ball, and we're going to use this and or tennis balls to, as I mentioned before, show you a whole bunch of things you can do to get rid of your pain. Sounds cool? Keep watching and go to the next video. I think that's it. Back to you in the studio.